Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 3 Placita Casal in Sahuarita, Arizona. It's a corner lot on a cul-de-sac with no rear neighbors. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a den or office downstairs, 2,423 square feet on 0.11 acre. Built in 2018. Beautiful place, wide open, tall ceilings, tile throughout on the bottom floor. Take a look. One of the things I really liked about this property is all of the windows and the natural light that they bring. This entire place glows in a good way, not a radioactive way. Dual sinks in the guest bathroom upstairs with vinyl plank flooring. Now right out here we've got a huge loft that leads right into the master bedroom. You know, I made a really big effort to find a way to get myself out of the video here, but I couldn't, so hello. Now this shower, it doesn't do it justice in the video. You can fit like 8 people in there if you wanted to. Serving suggestion. So let's head back downstairs real quick. I want to show you the backyard and how beautiful and private it is. And here we are. Beautiful, quiet, private. I could see someone spending a lot of time out here. Actually, I can see you spending a lot of time out here. So if you want to find out how to make this beautiful place your home, give me a call. Richie at Corner Connect with Realty Executives. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.